All right, so here's a check-in on my build in public journey for creating a boilerplate for any SaaS idea. But my first SaaS I want to build, idea verify. But right now I'm building a boilerplate that has Django and Next.js hooked up. Then I've been using CursorAI to spin up all this code and get it running locally. So I've been asking it to create a landing page that gives like a lot of dynamic control. So I could change the hero within my admin page. Let's go to the hero section. Just make a change here. Take control of your stack. Let's add some exclamation points. Save. And come back in here. That should update. Yeah. And it allows you to edit features, the pricing plans, frequently asked questions, whatever you want to add to your landing page. And then tonight I added the login functionality. I'm using Google Auth. Let's use rcmiskin@gmail. We're logged in. A little bug there. I have to figure that out why it pops up like that. But it brings you to a dashboard if you're logged in. And right now, the person's trialing. What I worked on tonight was managing subscriptions, so I hooked up Stripe data. I already was playing around with this user, and they are currently subscribed to the starter kit. I asked Cursor to kind of display this, like the pricing, as well as give me some payment history. I got to fix this. I don't want to show both of these. I just want to show this section here. But I also want to show, this should work now too. If we come into subscribe, I'm switching from starter to professional. I have Stripe session checkout. Stripe session checkout comes with this link, but it allows you to like save your information. But let's do pay without. Pulls my email address, so that's good. I had the issue where it was pulling an old user, which was weird, but I got Cursor to fix that for me. Let's put in the 424242 is the test Stripe card. And let's just do Ricky test 132. And then let's subscribe. So I'm going from the starter to the professional. Looks like it's working. And current subscription active. Next payment 99. And it updated the current professional. So I got Stripe working. I need to fix some of that. Some of this. I need to fix the cancel subscription. I don't think that's working right now. Actually, it does works, but it still shows current plan, so I got to fix that. And I honestly think we come into Stripe. This is the Stripe interface. This is the user that I was using. Let's see if they canceled. Did it cancel? 722. I don't think it was canceled, so I gotta fix that cancellation button. That's gonna be my next thing. Maybe tweak the UI. Fix this, so it's obviously not on a current plan. Actually, I gotta look at the Stripe settings because it might allow you to still be on the plan, even though you canceled it, but it might drop after the, I see, active until 8/21. So maybe I'll make this more clear and this clear as well. If we come back in the dashboard, I also need to change the status. Yeah, I don't really need these view profiles or settings. Settings I might add for user management, like change password. I don't need this recent activity stuff. I don't want that really. I'm going to add more to the dashboard. What I also did was if I log in as my super user in Django. So this is my super user. Continue. Uh, and then if we come, so this is different than, so I can view my Stripe products here. I should be able to view. Here we go. Product management. So I'm pulling from um, Stripe. All this information is coming from Stripe right now. And I'm also verifying that my Django database is synced with Stripe. Just because if I make a change to Stripe on one of the products here, Django will know, like if I change the name or if I change the price, it's going to know that it's out of sync. And then I have a button here that will just sync it. So we'll re-pull from Stripe and then update the database. Manage plans. This will bring me back into the Django admin. And this allows me to change the Django plans here. So I just add some buttons. I want to add some more. Let's go back. So here we go. I want to add some more functionality to the dashboard. Or maybe I can look into just display all the users here, just so you don't have this the kind of bad UI here for the Django. You can pull everything in this one dashboard. Maybe have some analytics like click data, views, and stuff like that, as well as maybe how I manage marketing material, how I send out emails, how I send out social media posts, because I know I want that for a lot of these SaaS ideas. So yeah, making some progress. So that's what I'll be working on the next couple of days. But I wanted to show what I worked on today with all the Stripe integration and managing subscriptions. Not done yet, but almost there. Thank you.